I think we're at about time. Are there any parting final comments you wanted to make, Ted? Anything else that you wanted to share with our audience before we sign off?
Yeah, I just would say that I am already active in U.S. politics going into the midterm elections that we're about to have in November 2026 this year. And I'm very focused on restoring democracy and rule of law in the United States because I believe that, especially for countries like Georgia, um, if we are not a model of democracy and an agent for it, there's very little hope for a place like Georgia. I hate to say that, and Georgians are making their efforts, but I see restoring democracy and rule of law in the United States as extremely important and necessary to reinforcing it elsewhere in the world. And islands of democracy tend to be don't last when they're only islands of democracy. We should have learned that in the 20th century. And right now, I see Europe and some of our Asian allies like Japan and South Korea and Taiwan as being the real islands, in some cases, literally islands of democracy. And the U.S. has got to get back in the game. That's our role in the world, and it always has been.
I think that's a excellent note to wind up on. Ted, thank you for taking the time to speak today. Thank you for your candor, and thank you for your work and sacrifice in Georgia and in the United States on behalf of the rule of law and protecting and promoting democracy around the world. Thank you.
Thanks, Mark. I enjoyed it.